Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how we can use multi-company in MaxxERP. So for that, first we'll go to File, Companies, and here we can enter the details of our company. Similarly, I have made two companies. One is as Max Enterprise and another as Max Traders. After creating two companies, if we want to import one locations, like for example Max Traders customers, vendors and general ledger to Max Enterprise, so we'll just search and select on Max Enterprise and click on edit. Then on the existing company we'll just select the Max Traders and click on import customers, vendors and general ledger, and then we can just save. So it will import all the customers, vendors, general ledger of Max Traders to Max Enterprise as well. Next we can go to File, Book Setting, Enter Company. So here we have Enable Intercompany Sales and Purchase. So this setting is used when, for example, Max Traders send some goods to Max Enterprise. So it will be a sale for traders, Max Traders, and it will be in purchase for Max Enterprise. So an automatic entry will be passed in the purchase side. So after enabling that, we can just save. After that, we can just go to File, Companies, search. In here, we can see sale account name. So after enabling that setting, a sale account name gets opened where we have to enter the account name for that particular company that can be created in customers. So after entering the account name, we can just go to sale invoice. Now from sale Max Traders and sending the goods to Max Enterprise. So we can see a pop-up opens. This is an intercompany account, and click on OK, and then the product. And any additional charges can be mentioned here, and then we can just save. So once it's saved, we can just go and check other company. So here on purchase, go to previous. So here we can see an automatic purchase has been passed here. Similarly, we can even see the adjusted difference from. Likewise, if you want to send this purchase back, we can just go to purchase written, enter the account name. So now when we go to File, again switch the company, and in the sales written, so we can see the sales written has automatically passed. Now next, if we want to check the inventory, we can just go to inventory stock summary and click on option, general, and select both the companies. So here we can see both the company closing stock together, and similarly accounts, ledger. If you want to see both the company's ledger for a particular party, you can just go to options, general, and companies, and then we can just select both the company, click on OK and apply. Next, for the users, you can go to File, Users, and here you can create new users where you can set the restriction for them, that which company they are allowed to view or make an entry. So if I create any staff member for Max Traders, the company would be Max Traders for them. And if a person can see both the companies, then you can just select both company name and save it. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you.